Setting big goals is exciting, but sometimes big goals can feel overwhelming. The key to success is breaking those big goals into small, clear, and actionable steps. This video will guide you through a simple process to do exactly that. Step 1. Define your big goal clearly. Make sure your goal is specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months." A clear goal helps you know exactly what you want to achieve. Step 2. Divide your big goal into smaller parts. Think about what you need to do to reach your goal. For example, if your goal is to lose 10 pounds, smaller parts could be: eat healthy meals, exercise regularly, drink more water, get enough sleep. Step 3. Set deadlines for each smaller step. Having deadlines helps you stay on track. For example, decide to start exercising 3 times a week from next Monday, or plan to prepare healthy meals every evening. Deadlines turn your goal into a schedule. Step 4. Make each step specific and actionable. Instead of "eat healthy," say, "eat at least 3 servings of vegetables every day." Instead of "exercise," say, "walk for 30 minutes every morning." The clearer your steps, the easier it is to follow them. Step 5. Prioritize your steps. Some steps are more important or need to be done first. Make a list and decide which step to do first, second, and so on. Focus on one step at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Step 6. Track your progress regularly. Keep a simple journal or use an app to record what you do. Seeing progress motivates you to keep going. Celebrate small wins like completing a week of healthy meals or hitting your exercise goal. Step 7. Adjust your plan if needed. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. If a step is too hard or doesn't fit your schedule, change it. Flexibility helps you stay consistent without giving up. Breaking big goals into actionable steps makes your dreams easier to reach. Remember, every small step counts. Start today and move closer to your goal one step at a time.